Now the last product which I've already added to the vehicle is this Cataclean. So as you go into winter, everything that causes problems in your engine bay and your fuel system will get thicker and harder and more concentrated because of the cold weather. So cold starts are going to be harder if your injectors aren't 100%. You're going to clog up those injectors much more easily. Everything works less efficiently when it's cold. So get some of this Cataclean in the system. It will give it a quick burst and clean everything, because obviously you've got carbon deposits on your EGR valves, on your intake system, on the injectors. Everything's clogged up after running it all summer without any attention. This honestly makes a huge difference. It's a bit of a spoiler alert, but I've added this and I haven't ever driven one of these from new, so every time I do something to it to improve it, I think, wow, I've brought it up to the standard it was when it drove out of the dealership. And I was at that point when I've done the, if you look back on some of the videos we've done and we've changed things like the fuel rail sensors and things like that, it's been running beautifully. And then I added this and it's just made a massive difference. The car's got even quieter, I'm getting better fuel economy, it starts better, it's less smoke, it just feels smoother. I can't recommend this product enough. This is not a paid for product, it's just something that we've used. So LR Parts have been selling this stuff for a long time and I've never used it. I'm a big fan of the Forte products and they have worked really well, and I definitely recommend those, but also this Cataclean, I've been massively impressed.